What's happening, guys? Ken Jr. down here in the Kaplan cycle shop with my main man Moses. Just going to give you guys a quick rundown on our 72 SL70. And we auctioned this off as part of a 8-bike collection of all SLs from this era, but this was the last one. This was actually one of the most complete bikes that was auctioned off in that lot a few months back. This one, we were doing some homework and the buyer actually never paid for the bike, so it's going to be going back up for auction. These we have been getting a lot of requests on through our website. People keep asking if we have any more SL70s left, so I'll tell you what, I'll be sending out a lot of emails now because here's one right here. It's very much a parts bike. The engine is seized, but the cases are in good condition. It is a matching numbers bike. The frame's nice and straight. The bike's never been crashed. I guess the main selling point on this thing is, well, the tank. That's the original paint. So we have the cap right here. Inside doesn't look too bad. A little bit of metal rescue and she'll clean right up. This is definitely a serviceable tank. I'd imagine that this is a fairly desirable color, the blue with the yellow. And I mean, let's face it, most of these got smashed. Side cover, present in decent shape. Left side's missing. You got the chain guide. Both wheels are present in decent shape. I don't see any bends or cracks, anything of that nature. Definitely need a new set of tires. Rear fender's there. I mean, just the tin set on this bike alone is going to be going for a decent amount. But so look at these, the fork gears. These are in good shape too, right? Bars are present. Not much more to say about the bike than that. It's a good roller. I can keep it here for as long as you like. Shipping on these is really inexpensive. If you want to buy it and have us ship, let's say the tin set and the cases, we can do that. Very inexpensively. Eric gets good rates through FedEx and USPS. Other than that, bike sold with a notarized bill of sale. Give me a call with any questions, 860-454-7024. And it's going to go at a $1 start bid, no reserve. So, you know, we'll see what it goes up to. All the proceeds will be going to benefit the New England Motorcycle Museum. We're getting started on the restaurant and bar project, which we'll be posting some footage of soon. It's a project we're really excited about. But stay tuned, we got some killer demo rides coming up for you today. So good luck bidding and God bless America.